So in that video we discuss about the Wittig reaction. In 1954 George Wittig discovered this reaction. 1954 George Wittig discovered this reaction. This reaction is mainly used for the preparation of alkene compounds. Preparation of alkene compounds from the carbonyl group containing groups or structures or reagents or substrates. It mainly discover or prepare the alkene from the carbonyl group, and that carbonyl group's position takes place by the double bond, or it's a CRR group. Okay, then this reaction is referred as a Wittig reaction. This is another method for the preparation of alkene used, which is discovered by Wittig, hence it is referred as a Wittig reaction. Let's see how this will reaction takes place. Firstly, before the reaction is started, we have to know the ylide concept. What is ylide? Because these are the necessary point for the Wittig reaction. Ylide are that species. Ylide are that species which contain carbanion species. Which contain carbanion species or group. Carbanions means carbon containing negative charge. That group, which is our ylide, with that it contains the some phosphoric, nitrogen and sulfuric group. Okay, according to that, ylide is referred as the negative charge or the carbanion containing species with that of the presence of phosphorus, nitrogen and sulfur groups. According to that, the phosphorus ylide must be as this one is carbanion and this one is a PPH3. This is one of the ylide. This is one of the ylide, which is our phosphorus ylide, and mainly the ylides are divided into three types. These three types are the phosphorus ylide, nitrogen ylide and sulfur ylide. Okay, according to the their presence of groups with the carbanion species, their ylides can be divided into three parts. Okay, let's take one example of alkene formation. Let's see general mechanism of Wittig reaction. Here our carbonyl group, it reacts with the carbanion species with that of the phosphorus, which contains the presence of positive charge, and this one are the remaining bonds of the carbanion species. Okay, then this carbanion takes or attack on that carbonyl carbon and it shifts bond upwards. The next reaction goes forward to this CO minus remaining bond, its remaining bonds as it is, and this carbonyl attacks, so this one is as it is. Here our PPH3, that is our phosphorus ylide. Look, it takes an oxygen, takes below. Okay, and here our positive charge. Okay, this reaction or the intermediate is formed. After that, the negative charge on oxygen and positive charge on the phosphorus get abstracts to each other and forms a one bond, and this is our oxygen phosphorus bond with including that, and this is show like or see like a ring type, and hence it is known as, or this structure is known as a betaine ring. And Wittig reaction is contain a intermediate, that is betaine ring, and that intermediates goes forwards. This carbon and phosphorus bonds move to the formation of double bond, and this carbon and oxygen bond gets break. Okay, then the reaction or the mechanism is forwarded towards the, here the double bond is formed, remaining two groups are there, with that of the byproduct is our PPH3, and this our oxygen. Okay, PPH3, and this our is double bond, oxygen will get formed. This one is a triphenyl phosphine oxide, this one is a triphenyl phosphine oxide, and here our Wittig reactions product alkene is get formed. Okay, and here we take any compound which contain presence of the carbonyl group. According to the any compound, or with that of the any compound which contain presence of the carbonyl group, with it reacts with the ylide, and then it forms the alkene with using the betaine ring intermediate. Here our Wittig reaction is complete. Please subscribe the channel.